So, good morning. We are going to explore the string methods. So, what are string methods? String methods are built-in functions that you can use on strings to perform common operations like changing case, finding text, replacing parts of a string, trimming spaces, splitting into parts, and more. So, basic modules, classes in Python. A module is a Python file containing reusable codes such as functions, classes, or variables that can be imported into other programs. So sa Python, tanan daw kay an object, and these objects are instance of classes. Some commonly used built-in classes are string, list, dictionary, sets. So mo ni siya table sa sa module classes names na siya random. Description niya is generates random numbers and makes random selections. Example, import random dot random open parenthesis 1 comma 10 close parenthesis so all in random number. So next is ang string. Next is ang list. So mo na siya di ang nasa screen karon. So basic modules classes in Java. A module, also called a package in Java, is a way to organize related classes. Java has a set of built-in modules like JavaUtil, Java.io, and etc. that contain pre-built classes for performing common tasks like handling dates, working with collections, and etc. A class in Java is like a blueprint for creating objects. It defines properties, variables, and behaviors, methods that the objects created from class will be. So these are the module classes in Java. First is ang scanner, next ang system, next is random, and last one is ang string. Daghan pa na sila. So muna sila. Ang makita nimo sa atong table karon sa description. Ang scanner mo ni siya ang nag-read sa input sa gikan sa user. Yang system ginagamit ni siya para maka-access sa system features like pag-print niyang random kay gigamit ni siya para mag-generate og random nga numbers. Yang string is used to manage strings text and provide ways to work with strings. So, common built-in functions in Python. So, diri sa table, kita nato ang mga function sa Python. So, nadiri ang print, ang len, string, type, int, float, input, ug sum. So, ang print daw kay mo ni siya ang katong mag-show siya sa text on the screen. Nya ang len kay mag-return sa type of an object. Ang string kay convert a value to a string. Then ang type tells the data type of a value. Then ang int is converts a value to an integer. Ang float converts a value to a float or decimal numbers. Ang input takes input from the user as a string. Ang sum is adds all numbers in a list. So, common built-in function in Java. Sa So, mao ni siya ang function sa mga function sa Java. So, nadiri ang system data that prints out output to the screen. So, string.length returns the number of characters in a string. Next is ang integer that parse int converts a string to an integer. So, next is ang double that parse double converts a string to a double. Next is ang string that to uppercase converts all characters in a string to uppercase. Next is ang string to lowercase converts all characters in a string to lowercase. Next is ang string that char at ano ni? So, index returns the character at a specific index. Scanner that next line reads a full line of text input from the user. So, nagatubang gini yung naon diri nagatang dili siya mahawa guys. So, sagdi na lang na siya. Basta scanner man na siya nga kanda. So, methods and description. So, mo ni ang kwan method sa kwan Python ug sa Java. So, as you can see mo ni siya sa Python upper. Ang description niya kay mag-convert sa string into uppercase. Ang capitalize converts this first character to uppercase. Ang caseful converts string into lowercase. Title converts the first character of each word to uppercase. Ang lower is converts a string into lowercase. Then ang center returns a centered string. Then sa Java is that to uppercase close open parenthesis bilang close parenthesis. Ang description niya is converts a string into uppercase. Then next is that length open and close parenthesis returns the total number of characters in the string. Next is ang carat. Carat ba siya o charat? Basta carat na talaga siya ba eh. So, ang description niya is returns the character located at a specific substring. Next is ang dapat ko ano siya that start with wala na siya space. So, I'm sorry. Amo na siya. Wala siya space dapat. So, checks if the string starts with a specific substring. Next is that to lowercase, open and close parenthesis, converts the first character to uppercase. Next is ang that ends with, open and close parenthesis, checks if the string ends with a specific substring. So, muna siya ang method sa Python o Java. So, that's all about sa string method. So, thank you.